already.
No.
No.
That one? No.
Yeah. That was it. What's up, Just guys? We're checking out what we got at the bakery. Let's open it. I got the mango pudding.
Oh no, the mangoes fell off.
That's okay. And it as well.
Oh no, your strawberry fell off.
Wait. They're destroying it. Yeah.
These are some fancy desserts, right, girls?
Those poopy stamps are from the video. She got crazy with them. They're from the other video, you know, with the egg that we opened. You should go watch that.
Did you try yours? How is it?
I was and went
You want to try? Yeah, that looks good, girls.
You want one, May?
So silky smooth. It tastes like pure mangoes. Is it good?
Take a big spoon. She only likes the cream and the toppings.
If you like this, put a thumbs up. Oh. The place that we got them from, 85 Bakery, has some really delicious little sweets and treats and all kinds of little breads. My son ate almost all of the chocolate chip bread, but you get a really nice sized loaf of bread, maybe like 10 pieces. It has little spots of cream on it. One is, I think this is called the milk bun. It has a swirl of like beautiful cream going all around. This is like the little bread that is not a dessert. It's more like a nice little bread with a little seasoning on top and cheese, and it has a hot dog. So you can have this like as a lunch, or if you feel like you want something more savory than sweet. One of our favorite things that they have there is these egg tarts, but they didn't have them when we went. My favorite drink there is the jasmine tea with the sea salt foam. Oh, she's eating her strawberry. Oh, I got it.
They give you so much mango.
Yeah, it's like half a mango, or maybe a whole mango chopped up.
Bye, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Here, have some. Have some.